All right, special thanks to the folks over at Securitylng who sent me their outdoor LED flashlight that is really for a bike. Got their logo right on top, made in China on the side, their logo again, and just the waterproof 1200 lumens LED bicycle light. 4 modes, bike headlight, 8.4 amp rechargeable battery. That's always awesome. Just company information back here, and yeah, so let's it says it's for outdoor sports, camping, travel, hiking, waterproof design, natural white beam. So let's open this on up. Let's see what we got here. So, oh wow, what is that? Not entirely certain what these are. Hopefully something will tell me. Looks like we've got, is this the battery for it? Wow, okay. And then, what is that? So this is the actual light, and there's where it would go on your handlebar. So your handlebar is on your bike, boom, this goes over it. And then it looks like there's actually a little button here. So this seems to go down and then screw into this, which is the battery pack for it. So that's a little different, but I like that pretty well. Oh, and look at that, it's got some charge now. So let me, yeah, it's a little brighter, off. Brighter, brightest, off. Wow, it's pretty bright. I didn't fully look at it into it, but it's pretty bright. So that's it for in the box. Let's get it out of the way. And so what is this? Oh, duh. So this is to charge the battery. So you'd have to unscrew this little guy and then just plug this in and plug this into the wall to charge up your battery. And then this battery pack actually just slides down into this, velcros in nicely, and then there's another velcro strap here where you could take this around and loop it on your bike in some kind of way. Many different ways you could mount this, but however you wanted to mount it. So definitely a very interesting product. I didn't expect the design of it, but actually I like it. I think it works well for a bike. You're able to put this somewhere else on your bike, maybe on your main frame, and then you've got a couple of feet of cable here to run this up to your handlebars. Now, I learned what these are for now because these are to secure this. So you hook it back here, you take it around your handlebar, and then you hook it here, or vice versa. You hook it there and take it around and hook it there. However you want to do it, this looks like the best way. And then to take it back off, you just do that. So, hi buddy. All right, so essentially we have this nice little green light. Everything's hooked up, and let me turn the bike this way at least, where it's dark out there. And so if I hit this button once, the light cuts on. Wow, that's actually, dang, that's really bright. So that's a really, really bright bike light. Like, I must say, that's pretty darn bright. And if you press the button again, you get a slightly brighter light, and then again, even brighter, and then off. So that, let me go to widescreen. So that's the lowest, that's this middle brightness, and that's the highest brightness. From over here, you just got your little green light, and from the front, you have a nice bright bike light. I mean, that would definitely be seen. That's on the brightest, even on the lowest. Like, you would definitely see that if you're driving a car or something like that. So there we go. That'll do it for this bike light. 2 big thumbs up. Great brightness, easy to set up and recharge. Can't complain at all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.